Alright, go. You going slow or fast?
Slow.
Okay, now go fast.
This is fast.
Hi, Brian. Ooh.
I gotta.
Hold on. Go.
This is fast.
Yes, it is.
This is like. It's quiet. Mom, look. Mom, do you want to see?
Yeah, Brandy, where are we going next week?
Make me have a beer.
Where are we gonna go next week?
Disneyland.
Disneyland. What are we gonna see there?
Look.
What are you most excited for?
For flounder.
To see flounder?
Okay, I'm gonna do super duper short. I'm doing it really fast.
This is, oh, gross, bud. This is really bad manners, but I guess we're having fun.
Yes, you missed me.
I missed you.
I like it, Daddy noodle.
Show Daddy how you eat your spaghetti.
Dad, I'm doing it fast. Watch me.
We're having fun.
You sucking them up?
Bryn has a little bit of a trouble.
I'm sucking them like this.
Stacky sure loves his spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Manny. Daddy, go get
Daddy,
some.
watch me, she says.
Daddy, go get some spaghetti. Mom, and you can eat. Daddy, go get some spaghetti.